Hello friends, I am Aisha and you are watching my channel Food with Aisha. This banana milkshake is a very important source of calcium for both kids and adults. For the recipe, I take 1 glass full fat milk, 4 bananas, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons fresh cream. Let's start the recipe now. Now we take a clean blender and add milk in it. Now we adding bananas, add some sugar, now add fresh cream. Blend all the ingredients together. Very healthy and delicious banana shake is ready. Now I am going to serve it. I made 2 servings. Add some ice if you want. Now add shake. Very delicious banana milkshake is now ready. You can take it in breakfast and whenever you want. It's a healthy complete meal. If you like this recipe, do thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious and healthy recipes.